Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will learn about one more important concept in cloud, that is monitoring. If you monitor the services which are present in your cloud, then only you can able to take appropriate actions based on the issues that was happened in your cloud environment. Now I have three servers. I don't know which server is running how much time, which server is taking how much CPU capacity, how much CPU load it was using. I don't know which server is taking how much. Now I am expecting to monitor the server related CPU matrices. So is there any service for performing this monitoring? Yes, there is a service, that is a CloudWatch. Here, by using this CloudWatch, we can able to create our own CloudWatch matrices. That is a CloudWatch matrix related dashboards we can able to create here. And then after creating, we can save those CloudWatch dashboards. Then we can able to see or monitor those matrices as well. And even we can able to create some alarms based on specific matrix condition, specific threshold limits. By setting specific threshold limits, let's take an example of CPU. Let's say if my CPU exceeds this much amount of utilization, then you can even create alarm to get notified to you by using an email service. So like that, alarms also we can able to create. So that's what we're gonna see in this lab. In this lab, we're gonna create our own CloudWatch dashboard matrix. Then we can even monitor that matrix, and we can even create alarm to notify us by using an email whenever our provided threshold limit got reached. For this lab, I've already logged in into my AWS management console. Before creating my CloudWatch matrix, I want to show you my EC2 instances which are running on, on my account. Now I'm just opening EC2 dashboard. Here you can see under running instances, three are there. Now I'm just opening them. You can see three are there. I provided the name as server 1, server 2, and server 3. Now I'm just clicking on server 1. I want to show you the matrix. I want to show you the matrix from here. From here, I want to show you the monitoring of CPU matrix that it is using. So since it is the server is working, so that's why it is showing like this. This matrix got working. Now I want to monitor this CPU matrix in not line format, in the form of a bar graph, and I want to create a dashboard like this. So like this a dashboard I want to create for these three servers CPU matrix, but not in this format. I want in the form of what? In the form of bar graph. So to create that, and monitor the CPU matrix comparison between my servers, we have a service that is CloudWatch. By using this CloudWatch only, we can able to create our dashboards, visual dashboards, to visualize how much CPU is used, or else in generalized way, you can able to visualize the matrix. Any matrix you can able to visualize. Here you can see, by using this, you can able to create your own dashboards. You can able to monitor the dashboards that you created or existing dashboards as well, or else you can even able to create alarms and set notifications and receive notifications by using this CloudWatch service. Now we're gonna implement these three things in this lab. So to do these three things, first I want to create a dashboard. I want to create a CloudWatch dashboard. So to create a dashboard, you have an option that is, I'm just opening all metrics. From here, from all metrics, you can create your own dashboard. Now I'm moving on with AWS namespaces. These are available for all. Now, since I'm creating for EC2 instances, I'm just using EC2 matrix. I'm just selecting under matrices. I'm just selecting EC2. We have automatic matrices as well, but now I'm creating my own custom matrix. So that's why I'm selecting EC2. Here we need to select which type of matrix we want. I want per instance matrix. So that's why I selected this per instance matrices. And which matrix you want? Now I want CPU utilization matrix, right? Yes. So in order to filter CPU utilization matrix, so first I'm filtering all the matrices which comes with a CPU as starting. You can see after providing the search, I only get the matrices which are named with starting CPU. Now what matrices I want? I want only CPU utilization matrix. So that's why I'm clicking on plus. It will add the search result. It will add this as well to search. Now you can see only CPU utilization matrices are visible. Now, since I want the CPU utilization matrix for server 1, server 2, and server 3, I have selected only those three servers. Now you can see those three matrices are visible here in the form of line. Now, in which format I want? I want in bar graph format. So that's why I selected this bar graph. Now you can see our server 1, server 2, and server 3 utilization metrics are visible here. Now what I am expecting, I want to save this. So before save this, I want to rename this like server CPU usage. Like this, I want to save the matrix name and I want to create this dashboard. I want to add this dashboard. So to already available dashboards, I want to add this dashboard. So I'm just clicking on under actions. I'm just clicking on add dashboard. Now it will show me the options. So in which dashboard we are adding. So currently I do not have any dashboards, custom dashboards. Now I'm just creating my own custom dashboard. That is dashboard 1. Let me name this as own dashboard. In order to identify this, I name it like this. Now I'm just clicking on create so that this dashboard was just now created, right? Yeah. So now I'm just adding this. I'm just adding this dashboard to this. So that's why I'm clicking on add to dashboard. So now the metrics that we just created, that was added to our custom dashboard. So whatever the dashboard that we created, to that dashboard, this matrix was added right now. Now I want to save this matrix. So that's why I'm clicking on save. So that's why it is saved. Now this matrix is visible to you even after moving back and coming to this dashboards tab. Now I'm moving back to the dashboards. You can see the custom dashboards that we just created. So this is the only one dashboard that I have just created. Now in this dashboard, it will show me the metrics regarding my CPU utilization of my servers. Now we have created our own dashboard. Automatic dashboards are already there. They'll show you the dashboard related details, those are already available related to billing and multiple services that you have. So those all related dashboards are already available to you. So if you create own custom dashboards, those are visible here. Under those dashboards, if you see any matrices, then those are visible here. Now you have seen how to create your own dashboard and save your own metrics in that dashboard. Now let's say I want to notify. I want to notify if any server, if a server that is utilized very less. You can see this server is utilized very less, right? Yes. So I want to delete those servers in order to save, the cost of maintaining those servers. I want to reduce the servers so that my charge will be reduced, right? Yes. So unutilized servers I want to delete, or you can say less utilized servers I want to know. So for that, I want to be notified at first automatically by using alarms. So I'm just creating the alarms here from this alarms. So from this alarms option, from this in alarms option, you can able to create your own alarms. Now from here, I want to show you how to create your own alarms. So now I'm under CloudWatch alarm section. Now I'm just clicking on create alarm. Currently I do not have any alarms. Now I'm just clicking on create alarm. To create an alarm whenever the specified server is utilizing less metrics than my required metrics. Now I'm selecting the, here you can see we have 3 steps. At last we have preview and create step. Now I'm moving on with the step 1, that is specify the matrix and condition. Now I'm just clicking on select the matrix. Since we are moving on with EC2 instance, now I'm just selecting that EC2, and since we are going with server 1, I want to see whether if my server 1 is having a less compute, my server 1 is utilizing very less compute than I provided, then I want to be notified. So for that I want to create a matrix. You can see per instance matrix is there. Now I'm just selecting that. What I want to see the CPU utilization, right? Yes. So first I am selecting CPU in the search box so that CPU related metrics are all visible here. Now I'm adding the CPU utilization as well in my search. You can see our servers are visible now. Now I'm just selecting my server 1. I'm just expecting to select this server. Now I want to be notified by using alarm whenever the utilization is less than 5. Whenever its utilization is less than, you can see I am providing the threshold condition, that is utilization is less than 30 threshold value. So currently it is in which threshold value? It is in 5. So if it is a less, CPU utilization is a less than 30 threshold value, then I need to get notified. So that's how I'm specifying the threshold. So what threshold I provided? If it is a less than 30, then this alarm will reach to where? This alarm will reach to in alarm state. Now you can see 30 is visible here, right? Yeah. So now I'm just clicking on next. And now here we need to select the notification mode. Now if my server CPU is running less than 30% utilization, now the alarm reaches to in alarm state. And so if you want to send notification by using SNS topic, then you provide the SNS topic here. Or You can even create your own SNS topic directly from here. Now, till now, I do not have any SNS topic. Now I'm just creating one SNS topic. The topic name I'm providing as server 1 less CPU utilize or usage. Less CPU usage notification. So like that I provided my topic name, and here you can provide your email endpoint. So in order to notify, you need to, by using emails, you need to provide your email, right? Yes, that you need to provide here. Now for this lab, I'm moving on with the temporary emails which are available in Google. Now I'm just copying a temporary email and I am providing that email here. Now I'm just clicking on create topic. Now actually our topic will be created. You can see the topic will be created from here itself. I'm created the topic from here. You can even create the SNS topic by going to SNS service. There you can able to create a topic there, or else you can even able to create directly from here. Now we need to approve. So whatever the notifications that are coming from this, we need to approve. Now I'm just opening that. Here you can see I'm just confirming the subscription. So our subscription got confirmed. Now I'm just moving back. Whenever after creating this alarm, whenever that matrix is reached, that is my CPU utilization of server 1 is reached less than 30%, then it will notify to me to that email. I will get a email message here. Now I'm just creating this. So to create this, I'm moving on with the default options, and EC2 actions also you can even provide. That is, you can able to terminate as well. If your server reach to less than 30%, you can even stop your instance, terminate your instance, restart your instance also. So currently I'm just moving on with the reboot option. Now I'm just clicking on next. Now here you need to provide the alarm name. So whatever the alarm that's you just creating, that alarm name you need to provide here. Now I'm providing the alarm name as server 1 CPU usage alarm. CPU usage alarm. So like that I provided. You can provide the description. This will reach to in alarm state when this will reach to in alarm state when matrix, or else you can say when server 1 is using CPU less than 30%. So like that I provided my description. Now I'm just clicking on next, and then I'll review the configurations which I provided. Then after I create the alarm, you can see the matrix we provided that is visible here. That is EC2 CPU utilization matrix that I provided for server 1 instance. This is the instance ID. That is less than 30%. I will be notified. So that is the condition that I have provided here. And additional configurations, currently I have not provided anything. I'm moving on with the default. And so whenever it will be less than that, then what action I provided? My EC2 instance reboot option, that is a restart option that I have provided. You can even perform actions as well. And even I need to be notified, right? So by using this notification SNS topic, by using this topic we created, I've already subscribed to that topic by showing you. And so whenever that reaches this topic will be notified, and whoever subscribers to that topic, those everyone will be notified. Now, since I subscribe to that by using this email, I need to get the notification to there. And I provided the alarm name like this and description like this. Now I'm just clicking on create alarm. So now this alarm is getting creating. You can see successfully created. Successfully created alarm this. Now I'm just reloading this. I think it takes a minute to show you in the dashboard. Yes, you can see alarm in alarm state or nothing visible. Now any state, I'm just moving on with any state alarms. Yeah. So currently due to insufficient data, it was not triggered any alarm. It may take you some time to get the data from your server. Then after, if it gets the data, sufficient data, then it will reach to any one of the state, alarm state, either in alarm state, okay state, or insufficient state. So currently it is in insufficient state because it does not have much amount of data. Now you can see the state of our alarm reaches to in alarm state. That means our server utilization is less than 30%. That data is reached to this server. The data is collected by this server. So that's why it reached to in alarm state. Now you can even see in your email that you just created and just subscribe to the topic, that will provide you a notification. You can see that notification is visible here. You are receiving this email because the CloudWatch alarm, that is this in particular region, is triggered, that is in alarm state. So that's why you will be notified. So alarm details are there and timestamp. So all the details are there here, right? Yeah. So like this, you will be notified by using notification. And even you can see the instance action also we have taken. What is that reboot action we have taken? So I think it's rebooted. So that's why it's running. Now it also show you alarm status. So this server 1 alarm is on now. That is, one alarm is in alarm state. So that's why it is visible there. In this way, you can able to monitor the utilization of your servers. Not only for CPU, you can even create the dashboards regarding utilization of your servers, memory utilization of your servers as well. So now we created CPU utilization of our servers. We can even create memory utilization of our servers as well. So by using this CloudWatch service, you can able to achieve that, creating matrices dashboards. You can able to do that by using this. So you can see in alarm state dashboards were visible in your CloudWatch, right? Yeah. So by using this CloudWatch service, you can able to create your customized dashboards, and in that you can able to create your own matrices that you want, and you can even able to monitor the matrices that you have created. You can even create alarms to notify you whenever a specific threshold is reached. So based on your specified metrics threshold value, if that reached by using your server, then you will be notified. So you will be notified, and you can even perform appropriate actions by using this alarms. So now in this lab, we have seen how to create our alarm, and we have also seen that our EC2 instance reboot action also taken by us, right? Yeah. So this is what CloudWatch hands-on. So by using this CloudWatch, you can able to monitor AWS services not only EC2, we can even watch other AWS services as well. So I hope based on metrics, you can able to monitor the services and you can even able to take actions appropriate against those services as well. So I hope this video is understanding to you and you understood how to utilize your CloudWatch in AWS. I hope you got some knowledge from this. That is how to implement a hands-on lab with a CloudWatch in order to create CPU utilization also and also other services by using other services, how to create any other matrices from this lab. So I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye, guys.